I am Atishri. Today we are going to learn how to make this magic frame. Now what do you see? A cat. And now what? A dog. A cat. A dog. A cat. A dog. If you want to learn how to make this, please watch the video. Thank you. Toy. For this toy, you need some colors, a pencil and eraser, glue, scissors, pictures. I chose a cat and dog. You can do whatever. You can choose whatever you want. And some construction paper. So first I'm going to take a color and color my picture. Now I've covered those pictures. Don't they look pretty? So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take your scale and the zero should be at the starting of the page, and you're gonna divide it into equal parts. See? Over here. So now you're gonna make, now that you have divided them, you're gonna make lines where you see those dots or lines, whatever you have made. So now that we have divided our paper into equal parts, now let's put the numbers on them. 1, 2. Now that we have written our numbers on it, let's cut it into parts. Now that we have done our parts, we are going to take our construction papers and now let's take one of our construction papers and stick our little pieces. So I'm going to show you what to do. First, you're going to take one of your pictures and stick it, and take the other one of your pictures and leave the second part of each one. So like this. that we have completed. Now that we have completed our frame, we are going to take the other construction paper and put it on like this. Now, what we are going to do is going to do this on the paper. Now that we have done our dots, let's remove the frame we just put on, and with the use of the scale we'll do this. Now that we have done this thing, with the help of a blade with your mom or dad, cut your frame alternately. Let this one stay, cut the second one. Let the third one stay, cut the fourth one. Like that. Now we have done this frame, and so to put our other frame in, we have cut two little stripes over here. Now what we are going to do is put our frame in the stripes. Be very careful. It's very careful. Now take our thingy from here like this, and now what we are going, now we have to take our frame out from this stripe over here. Now what do you see? And now what do you see? So you see a half dog and a half cat. If you enjoy this, please like and subscribe.